Alex, can we believe in the resurgence in golf? It's been in secular decline, arguably, for some years now, but this seems like the pandemic has put a renewed interest on the game.
Thanks for having me. Yeah, I think it's a game that you've seen get younger in the past couple of months. People are getting back to the course. They're looking for things to do. And golf is one of the few things that was open from the March through early May timeframe in a lot of states. So the sport has definitely been in a pretty good place. And plus, the PGA Tour has brought a lot of people into this sport that might not have watched it because they were one of the only sports on TV for a bit.
So let's talk about the secular tailwinds that we will see. We know that it's a socially distant sport. You can be outside. You don't necessarily have to wear a mask if you don't want to. You can be more than 6 feet away from somebody at most times during this particular type of event. What exactly does that then say about the golf industry's economic prospects? What parts of the industry do well? Is it equipment? Is it the courses themselves? What do you think?
Well, what we've seen in the past is that consumables do really well at first, which is the golf balls in particular. And then once people get into the sport, they'll start to buy entry-level clubs. So one of the things that Callaway said during their last earnings call was that they actually saw an uptick in the entry-level club set purchases, which is a pretty big step in the right direction because new golfers are going to purchase them. And then in the following year, hopefully they'll buy balls and they'll look into the more expensive clubs and other equipment that they could get to boost their game. So balls are the first thing you'll see. It'll be followed by clubs. Now, one of the economic trends we have seen is that the equipment data has come in pretty strong, even in July, for both clubs and balls. It came in a little bit stronger on the ball side. Those were up 52%, and clubs were up about 48%. So I think it shows that people are buying both of the pieces of equipment right now, but balls will be the first to see that uptick, as you said.
Alex, what type of product would Callaway want to make the most of? What has the best margins for them? Is it the golf equipment or is it the golf ball?
Ironically, it's actually on the apparel side of the business for them is the best margins. But as it comes to the equipment, they don't break it out in particular, but we believe the clubs are the highest margin product for them, especially at that higher price point, being the Maverick drivers and some of the more expensive irons that they would sell.